Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any Google Search Console activation will be important in any WordPress website. Any coding we can add in your Google Analytics, Google Search Console. But after activation Google Analytics, how we can activate Google Search Console option? Select by here. Already Analytics is activated in your particular website. How we can activate Google Search Console? So already Google Search Console activated. And I have to activate it. Multiple options are here. There is a new Google Search Console option. Go to settings. That is called. Here is the option will be in this particular user and permissions, ownership verification. Here, ownership verification, HTML tag, HTML file, Google Index, so many things are there. Here is I'm using for Google Index. Click for verify. Once it is done, any kind of verification is if required, we can go to this particular option and activate your particular Google Analytics option. First of all, we can associate on your Google Analytics to activate your Google Search Console option. So it is already activated. Now click this option. Here is that. Go into this option. Here is that. Create a property. Any property is that. The simple. We can add it here. Add property time. Sometimes property is not activated properly. They will take some time will be to activate your procedure. So here both you can add will be India, UA. Select here Indian rupees. Click next. Select your option. Next option. Create it. Color code is there. Here is a copy code. Control U, Control F. So is the code will be compulsory active stage will be here. What is the code will be into the manual tag. So check it out here. Everything will be the compulsory important option will be in this particular code checking. So what are the modification required? What are the your analytics properties required? Any kind of code we can check it on your particular things. Configure setting will be here. So there will be option in this. Click for how you can configure by admin. Go back, click for the setting will be here into the analytics and click for the data receiver. There's a view in this. Click for manually, copy this code, which is a plugin name is called header and footer plugin will be here. So previous I'm only activate by the Google Analytics 4. I'm activate by the both option. After this, check will be here. They no need to asking for your particular option. In this, go back, next, continue to home page. After this, click for refresh. Which website will be there? .in. Click for user permissions are there and click for ownership and activate for Google Analytics. Click for verify it. So it will be not activate stage. Control F5, refresh on it. Sometimes it is getting error. They will click for in the verify option. The time will be taking for verify you're done. So sometimes code will be not recognized on your particular Google Analytics. The activate will be both the things are here. So sometimes GA4 not activated. We can activate will be both options and activate your Google Analytics with your Google Search Console. After this one, We have the main important option name is called associate. In this associate will be here. Click for associate. What is the RK laptops are there? Which is the first code? Click this. Not here. So we can give this opportunity. We can add over here 4050. Click this, and here is option, and click for associate. The associate is compulsory important for the each and everything. Click for associate only. Here is the another option. Both can applicable by your Google Analytics 4 and Google Analytics Universal Analytics option. So this is the activation process we can given by the RK user laptops to search console setup with the Google Analytics option. Any code we can add will be here. That is name is called plugin. That is called insert header and footer plugin. The name is called WordPress header and footer plugin. Use it and activate by the Google Search Console on your particular website. If any further question about WordPress activation Google Analytics with the code, every videos are there into my channel. Follow up it, and any new question required, please comment me or you can email me. I definitely will be work on your particular each and every WordPress website. If anything I'm missing your comment and email, please resend by email. I definitely will be work on it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.